So now we will do a new problem. First, we will prepare trading and profit and loss account. Debit, credit. So we'll do first. So those who have any doubt related to final account with adjustments. So today you can call and ask trading and profit and loss account. Tushar 10th C. Trading and profit and loss account. For the year ending, normally for this chapter it will take minimum 1 month, but our students are brilliant students, so that's why I could complete within 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay. For the year ending 31st March 2014. So already we discussed the item. So I will write first. So if any item, any amount I left, you have to tell to opening stock. We have only 40 minutes, now only 35 minutes. Opening stock, it is given the trial balance 42,300. Next, to purchases, purchase 45,000. So here you have to look at return is there, return outward less purchase return. So purchase return 1,440 credit side 1,440. So 43,000 560. Next, direct expenses, wages is there, outstanding wages also there. To wages 11,215. Add outstanding wages more amount 11,265. Next, carriage, it is given no adjustment related to carriage. So carriage 2,700. Next, any item? Yes, last to octroi for investment to octroi 530. Any adjustment? No, 530. Okay, wages, outstanding wages. Then credit side by sales 1,12,500 less sales return sales return 2385 this one. So 11,000 1 lakh 11,000 lakh 12,000. No, it's not that. 1,10,000. 1 lakh. Next, buy closing stock. So it is given in the adjustment 20,000. Okay, now we have to balance. So which side is more? Here. So credit side is more. So 1,30,000. 1,30,115. So gross profit to gross profit carry down. Find the gross profit. After getting the answer, tell me.
29,760.
29,760. Okay, 29,760. By gross profit, B bar D, same answer, textual answer we got 29,760. So then we will write profit and loss account. First item we know salary. The salary, you have to look any adjustment. Yes, outstanding salary is there. So 25,470. 25,470. Add outstanding salary. It is given in the adjustment outstanding salary 20. So 25,490. 25,490. Next, insurance premium. State insurance premium. Any adjustment? No. So to insurance premium. To insurance premium amount is 2,700. 2,700. Next, that is interest received only. Interest credit side. So by interest received. By interest received. 7,425. Bangalore rent rates and taxes. Next, rent rates and taxes. No adjustment there. To rent rates and taxes. Rent rates and taxes 2,160. Next, wages over, turnover. Next, carriage outward. No adjustment to carriage outward. To carriage outward. Sorry, I didn't write one item. Whenever we write salary, by commission it is given. By commission, credit side, commission received only that one. Credit side means income. 1,575. Next, rent and carriage outward 1,485. Next, general expenses, no adjustment to general expenses. To general expenses 6,975. 6,975. Next, over. So trial balance over. Now adjustment. First closing stock already we wrote. interest on capital. So 2 interest on capital, profit and loss account debit side, and with the capital we have to add. It is calculated on the base of capital. So capital is given in the trial balance, say 67,500 into 10%, 6750. Next, interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, credit side by interest on drawings. By interest on drawings. So interest on drawings is calculated on the base of 19,530 into 5%. So 971.5. 966.5 will get it. So round figure we will write 977. Next, outstanding wages already we wrote. Outstanding salary we wrote. Next, depreciation. To depreciation on depreciation on plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. So 5% it is given. 5% on plant and machinery. 5% on plant and machinery. 27,000. Oh, 27,000. 5%. So 1,350. 1,350. Okay. Next adjustment, the provision on debtor means a new provision for doubtful debtor. Here old provision it is not given, so directly we can write no bad debt. So to new provision for doubtful debt. Doubtful debt. It is given 5%. So on the base of drawings, so 36,000, 36,000, 5%. So 3,600. So 1,800. So over. So no manager's commission, nothing. So now we calculate which side is more. Which side is more?
Debit side is more.
Debit side is more. So total
So 48,710.
48,710. 48,710. The net loss
So 8,973.
okay by net loss transferred to capital account. Capital account 8,973. Okay, net loss transfer to capital account. Now we will do balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. So first capital is given. So we'll write capital $67,500 less net loss less net loss. So we found 8,973. Okay, so we found already. Then with that, here interest on capital it is there. Interest on capital, add interest on capital. Add interest on capital. That is 6,750. 6,750. Next, less drawings. Less drawings. So it is given in the trial balance 19,530. 19,530. $45,747. So you have to less one more item, less interest on drawings, less interest on drawings, less interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, already we calculated 977. Zero. 3, 7, 7. So capital is over with the capital less net loss, add interest on capital. So normally if it is net profit, add interest on capital, less drawings and less interest on drawings. That will be the closing capital. Next, suppose if you, this is a closing capital. If you if you want to find opening capital means closing capital, what we less, that we have to add, what we add, that we have to less. That we'll study. That we got closing capital 44,000. Next item, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. 27,000 less depreciation is there, less depreciation 1,350, 25,650. $25,650. Next, furniture. Furniture, no adjustment. Next, furniture, no adjustment, the same amount we can write 6,750. 6,750. Next, bank overdraft, that is balance sheet liability, bank overdraft. So it is given credit 7,425. Next, interest. No, sorry, bank overdraft 24,660. Bank overdraft amount. Bank overdraft, interest bank overdraft 24,660. Next, debtors, cash and not there. Cash and. Debtors, no cash and so debtors 36,000. So only one adjustment related to debtor, less new provision for doubtful debt. New provision for doubtful debt. That is 5% on debtor already we calculated 1,800. 34,200. Next, creditors, no adjustment. Creditors 58,500. 58,500. Next, investment, no adjustment. Investment 41,400. So exam time now. So before calculating net profit, you can write the items. Only you can't do the which one capital only. Okay. Then it will not lose the time. So you write trading gross profit. If you are not writing, then net profit and loss account items you write. Then balance sheet item you write. Then you start calculation. Okay. So if you have no time, so creditors 58,500. Next, which one? Now you have to look adjustment. First, closing stock. Closing stock 20,000. Then Interest on capital, already we wrote. Interest on drawings, we already adjusted with the capital. Outstanding wages, liability. Outstanding wages. Outstanding wages, 50. Then outstanding salary, that is also a liability. Outstanding salary, 20. Next, depreciation, we wrote. Provision for doubtful debt, we wrote. So completed. So check the total.
One lakh 28,000.
1,28,000. So we completed this chapter. So now we have 7 minutes only. So you just note 12th one, 12th question. 1 minute. So you look 11th one. Look at the 12th question. Opening stock purchase, you look at any other item, opening per the return inward, carriage inward, any other scooter expenses, profit and loss account, scooter expenses, profit and loss account, scooter balance sheet asset. Okay, scooter expenses, profit and loss account, scooter balance sheet asset, then remaining, bank overdraft capital. Adjustment, you look at unexpired insurance, that is prepaid insurance, prepaid insurance. Second one, salary due but not paid, that is outstanding salary, outstanding salary. Then interest on capital, okay. Profit and loss account debit side, and from balance sheet capital, you have to add with the capital. Then scooter is depreciated. So scooter is depreciated means depreciation on asset. Okay, scooter expense, profit and loss account debit side, that scooter asset, but the depreciation, that profit and loss account debit side. Furniture depreciation, that Then you look at that 11th one, 11th question. Opening stock, purchase and sale, trading account, return trading account, wages trading account, dock, that is trading account, lighting, only lighting it is given, then profit and loss account, only factory lighting, then trading account, then miscellaneous income, profit and loss account, rent, profit and loss account, capital balance sheet liability, drawings balance sheet liability, debtors and creditors balance sheet, cash balance sheet, investment balance sheet, patent balance sheet, land and building balance sheet, donation and charity, profit and loss account, donation and charity, profit and loss account, sales tax collected, balance sheet liability, sales tax collected, balance sheet liability, then furniture asset. So adjustment, interest on drawings, interest on capital, land and depreciation on land, interest on investment, accrued interest. Okay, already we studied. So with the interest we have to add, otherwise separate by interest on investment, by accrued income. Then unexpaid rent. So you have to look in the question, rent is where it is given. It is given in the credit side. So it is income received in advance. Okay, so you have to look where it is given, debit or credit. If it is debit, that is prepaid rent. If it is given credit, means that is income received in advance, balance sheet liability. Then depreciation on machinery, furniture. So easy. Then 10th question, purchase, bank balance, balance sheet asset, any other extra item, gas and fuel trading account, freight and carriage trading account, then patent right, last patent, that is right intangible assets, adjustment and depreciation, we know, interest on capital, we know, on the base of capital we are finding, outstanding wages, we know, closing stock. Okay, then we omitted any problem? Nothing. Then eighth one, no? Eighth one you look at extra, any other item, extra item, you look at apprentice premium, credit side. Eighth one, apprentice premium, that is profit and loss account credit side. Profit and loss account credit side. Already we know, last chapter we studied apprentice premium received by way of giving training to someone. So that is profit and loss account credit side, adjustment closing stock, no problem, depreciation, we know, discount on debtor, we know, make a provision for doubtful debtor. But one thing you have to remember, first we have to calculate provision for doubtful debtor, then only you have to calculate provision for discount on debtor. Clear? So whenever we are finding provision, first we have to find that fourth one, provision for doubtful debtor, then only discount on debtor. So we are writing separately discount on debtor. Salary outstanding, wages prepaid, then managers is entitled to commission on net profit after charging. After charging means 5 by 105. So we have to calculate the net profit, that into 5 by 105. Okay. Any doubts? So 8-mark question. Any doubt? So you look at that, if you have any doubt, you can tell, you can call me, otherwise next period you can tell. Then I will start next chapter, accounts from incomplete records. After that,